In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the game WWE 2K25. If you buy games at Steam, it can be really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus, downloading from random websites can lead to viruses and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to find this game, download it without overspending and keeping your PC safe. Before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video, and once you have done that, go to your Google browser, and there we need to go to Steam to locate this game first before we can proceed. So go to Steam, and once you are there, use the search bar to search for this game. As you can see, this game is €59.99, and basically it's a paid game. It's a quite new game, launched on 14th of March. And what you need to do now is go to the link in the description. I have added it in the video description. Click on that and you will be redirected to this site. Now what we do now is search for the game WWE 2K25 and then select games on the left side. Once you have done that, go to sort by and sort this with the lowest price first. Once you have done that, then you can see that the price on this website is already much cheaper than Steam. You are already saving up to €20 by purchasing this game and downloading it through this website. So definitely try this out. Once you have ordered this game on this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the information and steps to follow to download this game through Steam. So yeah, you download it on Steam, but much cheaper than normally. So hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!